to Hair World. This is a perfect destination for the hair transplant. Here you can find a doctor, Dr. Hitesh Viradia, who is a perfect doctor for hair transplanting. Here he has done dermatologist, and I was searching since last long for a perfect doctor for hair transplanting since last 6 years, guys. You won't believe that 6 years, it is very much time and then after I thought I'm staying over here in Gujarat, Surat. It is in India, Gujarat, Surat city. I was searching lot of doctor. I have gone through lot of doctor, but they were not perfect at all. They were not perfect giving me a result. So that is why I thought I should go with this Dr. Mr. Viradia, and Dr. Viradia's reference is given by my best friend Mr. Sailesh Balar, who is a perfect person who has shown me and who has guided me regarding this. And my family was also objecting these things whether it is gonna be happen good or not. But then I thought, okay, fine, this is let's have a try, not try, but let's have do. And I have seen the Dr. Hitesh Viradia. He's perfect. He has given me a very good guidelines. He has given me a lot of things okay, don't worry, I'll be there. I'm here to give you perfection. So he was there in the morning itself. He came down at 7 o'clock. In fact, I was late by 15 minutes. But he has told me that okay, fine, we are agree with you, and he has taken me and the staff perfectly. Mr. Dakra, Mr. Pares, Mr. Mitesh, and Ma'am Varsa, and Ashok Bhai. They are all perfect. They are very much cooperative guy, and I am very much understanding these things. So this is the perfect. I can't explain you much more. You can see my hair here. Earlier I was very much, my wife was, she was telling to me whether it is going to be perfect or not. When she came down over here, she says, look at me. Oh, this is very good, perfect. So you can see this is the grafting area they have done, and perfection in each and everything. You can see that. Okay, so I would like to say to you, this is a perfect destination for hair transplanting. Come down over here. This is a perfect, and Dr. Hitesh Viradia is very nice doctor. Please go ahead. I'm very much assured for that. Bye bye. Have a good time, and don't forget to come down at Hair World.